Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing a parcel from Alibaba, a package actually. So it's my first time buying from Alibaba. I've bought from AliExpress and other Chinese website, but I decided to buy from Alibaba because of the convenience and everything. So I bought this package. The package it's around February, so we're in March 6th. So it's fair because the things are coming from China and I received them today. So let me just get the package and we get to be unboxing. So this is, I don't know if you see all of that. So this is the package. It's quite small considering the bags are 10. I bought 10 bags inside, slim bags. So I'll show you the picture. I'll show you the picture how the bags are supposed to look like, and it's what I got. I didn't open it. It was opened by my husband when he was collecting, I think. My first time buying. Just want to see the package. Oh, the bags actually, they look smaller than the picture. Let's see how. Oh, the color is not bad at all. It's exactly as in the picture, and is not bad at all. It's actually nice. And they come with the straps for the sling. So the bag actually looks smaller than I thought. It's actually nice. It has one cup, sort of like a side pocket where you can put, I think, money or your cards. Yeah, I think your credit cards there. It's quite nice. It's a pretty slim bag. I like the quality, though it's a bit small. The quality is nice. I like the feel of the quality. So this is how the bag is like. Oh, it's quite nice, guys. I don't have much space for you to see, for me to show you, but then this is the brown color. There are actually 3 colors. There was black, burgundy. Do you pronounce it like that? I think it's maroon. Maroon, guys. English. That's actually, like I said, I'll plug the. Oh yeah, they're really nice and different and unique. And I think I'm just disappointed with the size. The size is quite small, but you can actually put on your notebook, your purse, your phone can fit. Yeah, and it's quite a very good bag for chilling. This is black. Oh, they come, I forgot to say, they come in a small brown package. This color is a bit different from the picture, because sometimes the pictures are, photoshopped, all those things. Okay guys, that's it from me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.